What if a military plane could hover like a helicopter and fly 700 miles straight like a jet? The MV-22 Osprey can do both, and more. Today we're diving into the full story of the Osprey, from its controversial birth to its role as a modern military workhorse. And wait until you hear what happened during its first real test, a moment that nearly ended the entire program. The Osprey was born out of a need. The US military needed a faster, more versatile transport than traditional helicopters. In 1981, the US Marine Corps officially launched the tilt-rotor program, aiming to replace the aging CH-46 and CH-53 helicopters. The concept was simple in theory: a plane that could take off and land vertically like a helicopter, then convert to forward flight like a jet. The project was championed by General James L. Jones, who saw the Osprey as the future of military transport. But turning this idea into reality would prove far harder than anyone imagined, and the cost would be enormous. The Osprey's development was plagued by technical challenges, from engine failures to rotor instability. The project was delayed 15 times, with the final version not entering service until 2007, 26 years after the initial proposal. The total cost ballooned to $38 billion, making it one of the most expensive defense programs in US history. Worse still, the Osprey suffered 100 fatal crashes during testing, a number that sparked intense political backlash. Despite the setbacks, the Osprey's design was a breakthrough. It could carry 36 troops or 10,000 pounds of cargo. After years of development, it was finally time to prove itself, in real combat conditions. The Osprey made its first operational deployment in 2005, during the war in Iraq. Its top speed of 275 miles per hour and range of 1,100 miles made it over twice as fast and twice as far-reaching as traditional helicopters. Unlike the UH-60 Black Hawk, which can carry 11 troops, the Osprey could transport 36, a game-changer for troop mobility. Operators were initially skeptical, but once they saw the Osprey in action, they were impressed. The Osprey could land on a ship just 110 feet long, a critical advantage for Navy operations in tight spaces. But the real test was yet to come. Would the Osprey survive the chaos of real combat? In 2010, during Operation Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan, the Osprey proved its worth in a dramatic way. On May 21, 2010, an Osprey crew executed a high-risk evacuation under heavy fire, saving the lives of 36 US and Afghan soldiers. The Osprey's ability to hover and land in tight spaces made it ideal for medevac missions, something traditional helicopters couldn't match. Despite its deadly development phase, the Osprey now saves lives in combat, and has become a key asset for the US military. The Osprey's performance in real combat revealed unexpected strengths, like its ability to operate in extreme weather conditions. So what's the lasting impact of the Osprey? It's changed the way the military moves troops and supplies, fast, far, and with precision. The Osprey's success has inspired new tilt-rotor designs, including the upcoming V-280 Valor for the US Army. Today, the Osprey is still in active service, with over 400 in use by the US Marine Corps and Navy. The Osprey's journey from controversy to combat hero is a testament to the power of innovation, and the cost of progress. The Osprey is more than just a plane, it's a symbol of what's possible when vision meets engineering. Which military subject should we deep dive next? Comment below and subscribe for more.